In front of me is INFINIX Hot 60i, and today I would like to show you how you can turn on and use voice typing. Start by launching your keyboard and tapping on the microphone icon at the top right corner. If you can't see it, don't worry, just click on this gear one. Tap on the voice typing section available here and click on this switcher next to use voice typing to activate it. When you're ready, go back to your keyboard. Now click on the visible microphone, and if you never used it before, select while using the app in the pop-up. Then start typing. As you can see, voice typing is on. If you wanna stop, you can pause or click on the same button of the microphone. Now my favorite part. If you want, you can click on voice typing microphone and then select tiny icon that will appear right next to it. Hit next. Select done and enjoy using voice typing from your toolbar. To move it around, hold it and drag it. To delete text on the go, use this button with an X. To access some available keyboard option, click on those three lines on the left. And to go back to standard keyboard, use keyboard icon right next to it. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!